Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban penjana susu hakabenta ban suma di kibreu kibayo ya kejingpang bampong ne ke cancer. Hakaleng kejela Meghalaya, hakani ke kenti ketnat ke kot ke khia kejela. Kalai soi da kejingete kular bat kawai na ki company Samboarding. Kabahe hakani kari ban penbet penbiang ya kejaka sumar halor kejingpang bampong. Hakajelang kabalalong haka arterek mentau benai no pra arjaka kendai. Lai soi ka soskular hapdeng ki he jong ka Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Bat ki officer jong ketnat Health and Family Welfare jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Naka benta ban kershan haka ba penbiang ki katu kat ne ki mar ki mata bat ka jingsna pendap ki katu kat ne ki benta jong ka DAE Civil Hospital Cancer Wing kabaran hapo Civil Hospital Shillong haka jinglot ban kon saupun reulak nyop we hajar prapusau tungka haka ne jing soi soskular haka ne kesengi nakalyang ka Power Grid Corporation of India Limited la soi do General Manager AK Borthakur bat Joint Secretary katnat ka koi ka khia kani ka jela TG Moment Kiwei de ki baliran lang hakani ke jelang soi soskular ki kintob yo Joint Director jo katnat Health and Family Welfare ka Sarkar Jilla u Dr. WW Phira u Executive Engineer jo ka Health Engineering Wing u ba M Shilla bat kiwei
Basically our purpose is that we have a fund here corpus the Power Grid under our Corporate Social Responsibility Fund. Whatever we are earning the profit out of 2% mandatorily we have to spend for the society. As a part of our CSR initiative, we have come forward when we came to know that one cancer civil hospital is coming up here for treatment of cancer patients. We thought that how can we join here? We have approached the authority. We are very thankful to the hospital authority that they have given us the opportunity to involve ourselves today, and this proposal has seen the light of the day today. We hope that within a period of 2.5 months that all the furnitures will arrive here. And apart from this, recently we have undertaken some other similar activities in Clerihat area. There we have provided one high mast lighting system, then the register management vehicle. Then another proposal with hospital authorities still under consideration. We will be interested to consider any proposal for cancer unit like isolation ward or children ward. Now we are requesting the authorities here, in case we receive any proposal, it will be our pleasure to consider. It is a continuous, every year, every financial we are taking up such projects. Not only here, because when we say Power Grid, entire northeastern region we consider as local for us. We have been doing similar activities in Guwahati B. Borua Cancer Institute. We have constructed a building, almost completed now, ready for inauguration. That building, they will be imparting training program on oncology. So they will be conducting various training program. Another project, a similar project we have been doing in Guwahati, that is for, of course, that is not related to medical. Apart from this, in so many places we have been doing as the CSR activities. We have been providing ambulance in Arunachal Pradesh. Here also we have provided a few. And recently, sir, we are planning, along with Dr. B. Borua Cancer Institute, we are planning to organize here one cancer awareness program very soon. And once the dates are finalized, we'll request your doctors, specialists can also join us the program. That will be only simply awareness program. One we are thinking from Meghalaya here in somewhere near Joy, and another we are planning from Dimapur in Nagaland.
As you know, we are in need of funds for executing a number of projects. We have to improve our services, but then we are constrained by need for resources. So this gesture on the part of Power Grid will really help the department, and I look forward for more such initiatives, help from them in the future under their corporate social responsibility programs. We, in fact, would like a number of things to improve our services, but let's see what things are admissible. If we will be keeping in touch with Power Grid for more initiatives in future as well. So I'm very thankful to Power Grid for this initiative on the part.
When we wrote the project, it's the easiest project that civil hospital got from Power Grid. So for this, I really thank Dr. Bhattukur, the director, and Ma'am Gitanjali, who has worked so hard. Up and down, the problems were there, but then we were slow from our part. But we are so thankful to you, sir. Thank you so much, really, for this. And my joint director has helped me a lot. Whatever, like I said, sir, it is like that. And joint director said yes. Yes, we should go ahead. So, like the support from the higher up is so important. I'm so thankful.